Hey babe, welcome back to Just Tia. My name is Tia, and today we're going to be talking about one of the quickest and easiest ways I was able to make money online as a stay-at-home mom. Now, if you remember from my channel trailer, I did say I made money 3 different ways, so I was able to work from home and stay at home with my kids. Now, those 3 ways were affiliate marketing, creating my own digital products, and dipping and dabbling a little bit in freelance writing. Today, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing, you may ask? I'm pretty sure you already know what it is. You just didn't know it was called affiliate marketing. Now, have you ever just been scrolling on Instagram and you see all these beautiful young people promoting skincare regimens and things for your hair and lipsticks and makeups? Well, that's affiliate marketing. So what they're doing is they're promoting one of their favorite brands or their favorite item, like a lipstick, an eyeshadow, a face moisturizer, for a commission of the sale. So let's just say that you were scrolling on Instagram and you already were looking for something for skincare online, but you just couldn't find it. So you just started scrolling on Instagram, and then boom, someone pops up and it's something for your skin. Let's say you have dry skin, and this is a moisturizer, and it has all the ingredients, the vitamins that you actually need to keep your face moisturized. And then there's a code in the description or in the caption telling you all you have to do is just type in this code. You can get 15% off. Who doesn't want to save money, especially on something like skincare or makeup? So you click the link that's in the bio. You go straight over to purchase. You enter the code. You get your percentage off, and boom, your product is on the way. They just made some money from that sale. How? Well, because one of the ways is you use the code. They get a little percentage for that, or they get a free product. And then, not to mention, you bought from that link. They get a percentage of that sale. They did not charge you any extra money. I can tell you that right now. They did not charge you any extra money. The percentage or the commission came out of the price that you paid. It can be 15%, it can be 20%, 5%, or it could just be a flat rate of like $20, depending on how much you actually paid. Now, how is it that they were able to make money just from clicking on that link? Well, with affiliate marketing, there's a special code that they put inside of the link that is traced back to you personally. And then once someone clicks on that link and they buy that product, it's able to be traced back to them, and that's how they're able to get their commission. Now, I was able to make over $400 in affiliate marketing within my first 4 to 5 months of starting a blog. Crazy, I know. And the funny thing is, I didn't even know what I was doing until I did more research and more research. Now, how is it that you want to get started with affiliate marketing? Do you want to sign up now? Because it is kind of easy. Now, how you get started is when you pick your favorite product or your favorite service. You go over to the website and you scroll all the way down to the bottom and see if they have anything for affiliate marketing or brand ambassador. If you don't see any information like that at the bottom of the website, click on the contact form and you can submit your information and ask them if they have an affiliate program. Now, they should get back to you with all the information, and it's like an application. You fill out an application, and then once you're approved within 24 to 48 hours, depending on their approval service. Some people do it by hand, and sometimes it's automated. It depends on if they're running the affiliate program themselves or it's coming from a third party. And we can talk about that later on down the line. Now, once you're approved, they're going to send you a link. You log in, and there's going to be your dashboard. Your dashboard are going to have promo items such as pictures. There's going to be email scripts that you can use to put in your emails to send to people. And then there's also going to be either your link or special code. Now, like I said, this link in this code is specifically for you only. And if someone is to purchase through your link or your code, that's how you make money. Now, you're asking, okay, where can I start promoting this at? Well, you can kind of do it anywhere. You can do it on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even Pinterest. And a lot of people make money from affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And if you have a blog, you can do it in your blog. If you don't have a blog and you have a YouTube channel like me, you can do it on your YouTube channel. You can just put the link or the code in the description box, and if someone trusts you enough and believe the things that you're saying, that you're giving off the features, the benefits, I mean, it's really appealing to them. And if they really, really like it, they're going to click on that link, they're going to enter your code, and then they're going to purchase, and that's how you make money. Now, are you ready to get started? Great. Now, I don't want you to be sitting here in a long 10 to 15, 30-minute video. What I'm actually going to do is link a PDF guide in the description box about affiliate marketing for beginners. And once you download it, you'll get the full guide explaining to you exactly what it is, how you can get started, all types of details that you need in order for you to start. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for the notifications for the next video of how I'm going to tell you how I made money online as a stay-at-home mom from home. You have a great day. See you in the next video.